Hello, performance family. What am I doing on the floor? Well, I'm here for a very good reason. To talk about something we enthusiasts tend to ignore, and that is our brakes. We love going fast, right? But we sometimes don't pay attention to brakes and breaking the brakes in. Now, I love StopTech stuff. Their brakes are phenomenal. But did you know that you have to break in your brakes same when you're breaking a clutch and an engine? But of course, with different procedures. So this time around, I'm going to show you how I do it to give a much more braking, or much better, I should say, braking performance. Okay, the procedure is quite simple. All you do is bring your vehicle up to speed, and this time 50 to 60 miles an hour, go to a very safe location, and bring it all the way down to 5 to 10. You want to do this in rapid succession because you don't want to give your brakes time to cool down too much. So this bed-in or break-in procedure is extremely important for precision and performance, and it's something that you have to do every time you install a new set of brake pads and rotors. So as you see, I do this quite a bit. The procedure is not very difficult. If you don't get to 60 miles an hour, that's okay. 50-ish is good. But the key thing is not to let your brakes cool down all the way. And after that, you are good to go, and you can enjoy your safe performance. Here I am on the ground again, but that's it. That's what I had to do to break this in. And now my braking is superbly improved. So that being said, if you have any questions, go ahead and put it down in the comments below, and I will be there to answer them. Safe driving, guys. Cheers.